In this video, I will show you how to install Chrome browser in Windows 11. Now, to get started with this, maybe you've purchased a new PC or laptop and by default Google Chrome doesn't come installed. Normally you've got like Microsoft Edge or something like that. So what you want to do is open up your current internet browser, which if you have a Windows PC or laptop, it's going to be Microsoft Edge. So just double click to open this up. And then what you want to do is come across to google.com. Once you're on Google, just simply type Chrome download into the search box and then click onto the top result, which is going to take you to the Google Chrome download page. From here, you're going to see the blue download Chrome button. Give that a click and that's going to download that onto your computer or laptop. What you can then do is open up your downloads folder and just run the setup program. What you want to do is just run through the steps now to install Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. And once the Chrome browser has finished installing, you can use your search box, just type Chrome and you're going to find it on your computer or laptop. Give it a click and that's going to open up Google Chrome on your PC. So that's how to install Chrome browser in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.